Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see the Bush TV black screen with sound, fix Bush TV black screen with sound, but no picture. So let's get started. The fix number one, power cycle. Switch off the TV and unplug it from the power source. Hold the physical power button for at least 15 seconds. Wait for at least 30 minutes to allow any residual power to drain from the TV's capacitor. Plug the TV back in and try switching it on again. Fix number two is check the HDMI connections and remove the surge protectors. Ensure all the HDMI cables are securely connected and try removing them one by one to identify if any specific cable is causing the issue. Disconnect any surge protectors or the smart plugs between the TV and wall socket to rule out any power supply issues. Fix number three is check the backlight. If you can hear the sound but see no picture, it's likely that the backlight has failed. You can test this by pointing a flashlight directly at the screen while switching the channels or navigating the menu. If you see faint images, it indicates the backlight failure. Fix number four is internal component issues. If the backlight is functioning, the issue might be with the internal component. Check the main board, power board, and timing control board for any faulty components or the loose connections. Use a multimeter to test the voltage on the specific pins to identify the problems. Fix number 5 is reset the TV. Power reset. Press and hold the power button on the remote control for about 5 seconds until the power off message is displayed. The TV will turn off and then restart automatically after about 1 minute. Factory data reset. Open the TV settings menu. Navigate to the general device preference or the storage and reset. Select reset or the factory data reset. Choose a factory reset or erase everything. Confirm. Enter your PIN if prompted. The reset will take you a few minutes. Wait for it to complete. Okay. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.